You have a special event coming up right now? Here we will cover you up for that. You don't need to spend a lot of money in those beauty parlor treatments, but here today I'm going to share with you a step-by-step tutorial in which you can take care of your skin, especially if you are in a dry skin type, and you can get that glowing and clear and clean and a smooth skin for that best makeup for an event. Hi and welcome to Peppy Sage. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel because here we create a lot of videos regarding makeup, skincare and a lot of travel tips as well. So if you like such kind of a vibe, be a part of our family. To get a flawless base, it is very important to have a smooth and clean face. So, if I have an event tomorrow, my preparation will not start 5 minutes before the event, but I will start the previous night. That is very important. There are few steps which you cannot do just before putting on the makeup, as that may, irritate your skin or cause inflammation and give breakouts as well. So to avoid all these hassles, we will start our skin prep for an event, for a big event, just the day prior to the event. You know that one thing which gives you that nice neat look is a well-groomed eyebrows. I agree to that because I feel a lot of difference when my eyebrows are clean. So I like to take one tweezer and a spoolie brush and like to comb my eyebrows on the upper portion, upper direction, and then with the help of this tweezer which has a flat end, I like to pull out the extra hairs. So in this way, when you do this, it gives you that clean look. Don't do any shaving or any cleaning up of hair from your face on the day of the event, as that can irritate your skin. Next, a clean upper lip is very important, otherwise you will get that shadow around this portion. So I use this mini facial hair remover from Braun, and this does the job perfectly. Believe me that it does not irritate your skin at all. If you are someone like me who is afraid of shaving your skin, then try this one. This is so handy and you can carry this anywhere, like if you're going to a destination party or you are just on the go and you want to pop it in your bag. This is the right product for you. I think everyone must have this in their vanity, and this product is really handy and it does the job really well. For the upper lips, I use this. Between my brows, I also like to use this one, and this gives a clean shave every time. And there is no side effect, there is no burning sensation, there is no pulling of hair, so that means there is no skin irritation. So these two steps I will tell you, you do it before the day of your big event. So the night before, you have another two big things to do, that is keeping yourself hydrated by drinking lots and lots of water and having a good night's sleep. Don't stress yourself about the event the next day. Just go to bed early and sleep early. Always remember to put on those sleeping masks for your lips and all, to keep them hydrated throughout the night, and so that you don't have any flaky skin or flaky or chapped lips in the morning. Okay, so the D-Day have arrived and we have to prep our skin for that big event. Here we will start with a sheet mask. Sheet masks are extremely hydrating and they hydrate your skin and keep your skin moisturized and flawless throughout the day. This also helps your makeup to clinch into your skin and give you that flawless looking skin and hydrated skin always. You can choose any sheet mask which work for you. I would also give you one more tip here, that do not try to use anything new on your face on the day of a special event, because you don't know how that new product is going to react with your skin, and you might end up getting flaky skin, or even you might get pimples and breakouts. So it is always better that even if you have bought new products, you must use it beforehand to see how it works with your skin, or if it doesn't, so that you don't get any risk on that day. I use a jade roller to massage my face. What happens when you massage your face with a gua sha or a jade roller, or just you can use your fingers to give your face a nice lifting massage towards the upper side. You have to put the pressure from down to the upper side. This helps the blood circulation a lot, and it also reduces inflammation. So mostly there is water retention in our skin, underneath our skin, as well as if we are just getting up from the bed, our face looks swollen or for some other reason. So this massage really gives your face a rush of blood flow, and that inflammation goes out. So this is why we need a good massage, and you will also look very pretty and pink on your cheeks when you get a good massage on your face. So while our mask is hydrating our skin, we will also apply a lip mask on our lips to keep it really hydrated. Here I'm using the sleeping mask from Lineage. I know this is a very hype product, but it has some good reasons for the hype, and it hydrates your lips like nothing else in the world. So I really enjoy using this product. On a big event, there will be a lot of light and flash, so you have to keep your eyes ready for that. Well hydrated under eye give that lift to your face. So here I'm using this under eye cream from Biosense. This is really nice. It keeps your eyes hydrated for a long period. However, there is a option which is more budget friendly, which is from Himalayas, but somehow this doesn't suit me and it gives me breakout very frequently. So I have given that product a lot of time, but it hasn't worked for me. So I have switched to this Biosense under eye cream. Try to soak as much as the serum in the face sheet mask into your skin, and do not rub it off or wash it off. Try to massage your skin so that all the product is absorbed in your skin. If still there is a lot of product on your face, you can just dab it with a tissue paper and get the excess product off. After this, we will move to our serum, which we use regularly. Like for me, niacinamide 10% with 1% zinc from The Ordinary is a regular go-to. I cannot just miss this. However, I have added a new serum to my skincare routine, that is from Neutrogena. And this is their Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. For a long time, I wanted to add something to experiment to my skincare routine, and finally I got my hand into this serum. And when I mix these two in the morning and put it on my face, it really gives that radiant glow to my face. So you can understand that we are building up the hydration of our skin and keeping it well moisturized for that high definition makeup which we are going to do for the event. However, whatever is your skin type and whatever is your regular skincare routine, follow that and then follow it up with a moisturizer. A good and thick moisturizer will help you to keep your skin even hydrated for a longer period of time and lock all the moisture that you have got from your sheet mask and from the serums that you have applied. So choose one according to your skin type. Here I always rave about this product from Aveeno, and I love this moisturizer. This is thick. This is very good for very dry skin types, as well as to wear it beneath the makeup. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. Also like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye bye.